Do you like the content of the channel? Would you like to support this project to continue publishing videos about aviation theory? Well, you can do it becoming an aeronautical sponsor, which is the channel's membership offer. Let's start by looking at what is a channel membership. A channel membership is a YouTube functionality that allows the users to support content creators in exchange for certain exclusive benefits. This means that if you value the content of the channel and want to support us, you can become a member for a small amount of money each month and thus access these benefits. Regarding these benefits, if you decide to become a member of the channel, you will have access to exclusive loyalty badges next to the username in comments and chats. You will know the topic of the following video in advance through the community tab, and you will receive priority replies to your comments. Now, it is important to mention that this membership has no permanence clause, which means that you can cancel it at any time you wish. Now, last but not least, it is important to clarify that this membership is available to those who wish to support the channel on a voluntary basis and on their own initiative, since the content will continue to be uploaded to the channel as usual, free of charge to all YouTube users. With this being said, if you decide to support the channel becoming a member, you just have to click on the join button below this video and follow the instructions. Thank you very much in advance.